How USO shows were put on in the actual theater of war. This is well, not improvised, but the first time we've been doing this together, so we hope you enjoy. Out on the plains, out near Santa Fe, I met a cowboy riding the range one day as he rode along. I heard him singing the most peculiar cowboy song. It was a ditty he learned in the city, going to I, coming to yippee-yi-yi, now get along. Get hip, little doggies, get along. You better be on your way, get along. Get hip, little doggies, and he trucked them on down the old fairway. Singing his cowboy boogie in the strangest way. Going to I, going to yippee-yi-yi. He's just too much, not too much. Got a knockdown western accent at the Harlem touch. He was raised on local weed. He's what you call a swinging out free. Singing his cow boogie in the strangest way. Going to I, going to yippee-yi-yi. You jump too much, not too tall. You got a knockdown with a accent with a Harlem touch. He was raised on local weed. He's what you call a swinging out free. Singing his cow boogie in the strangest way. You're coming to I, you're coming to yippee-yi-yi. Get along, get hip, little doggies, get along. Better be on your way, get along. Get hip, little doggy, and he trucked him on down the old fairway. Singing his cow boogie in the strangest way. Coming to I, coming to yippee-yi-yi. Get along. Better be on your way, get a dog, little longies, and he trucked him on down the old fairway, singing his cow boogie in the strangest way. Going to I, yippee-yi-yi. Pleasure to introduce the rest of the Magnolia Sadie's Vintage Dancers. Stick around, we're going to create a great show. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.